what's up everyone? Good morning. So guys, what? We are at Baguio. Clarice here. So Clarice, where are we going?
To SM.
SM.
We're gonna walk.
Yeah, maglalamiyagda po kami sa SM because malalaman nyo. Anong ginagawa mo, Clarice?
We're getting ready.
So, this is our room. Actually, walang natulog sa itaas. Dito kami dalawa. So, and this is their CR. It's clean naman. Yeah. Monday lang kami dito, guys. Kasi we have, plans. We already have our itinerary. So, worth it.
Back down.
Worth it din naman. Bilis. Already clean our room natin. Yeah, let's go. Okay, aalis na po kami. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Yung susi.
Okay.
Turn up the line. Let's
Wala na
go.
yung
Let's go.
watch.
Yeah, wala na. 2, 6.
Oh my God.
Super lamig. Temperature check. Hi, baby. You're so cute. Yes. Hello. Yeah.
Okay.
Nababay. Alis na tayo.
Food blocks. SM na.
Bye po, ate. Oh, anong sasalita? It's a video. So, Clarbsy, what's our next agenda?
We're gonna go to Session.
Session room. Where is that?
Don't know.
Doon saan?
2
Pa
blocks
right?
away. Right.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Mm.
Ang lamig, guys.
Ano natutunan mo?
It's been nice so far.
Especially having me?
Yes. Especially having you as my travel partner.
Aww. Actually, guys, Clarcy lahat bayad. Charot lang. Anyways,
Sugar
guys,
mommy.
you should stay at Mokilosan. It's really worth it. I mean, if your purpose here is just to, maglalamierda lang, ganun. Tingnan ako, girl. Maglalamierda lang, ganun. I mean, you want to stay a place na safe, comfy. You can stay in Mokilosan. Mokilosan. Yeah, here. Actually, Clarks, I'm just happy. Kasi nga, diba? It is our first time together. Tama ba itong daan natin, girl? Really? Kasi, tingnan nyo. Pwede dito. Dito na lang, girl. Para safe. Mas safe dito po. Magtawid na lang dito. Oo, walang pedestrian dito, girl. Doon na lang. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Ingat.
Yes. So, napag-desisyonan namin ni Clarks na diretso lang kami. Since yung daan here, walang pedestrian eh. So, we don't really know what to happen next. Diba? Kung tatawid kami ng basta-basta. Actually, guys, the place is so good. Air, napaka-fresh. Gaya ng kanito, girl. Napaka-fresh. So, yun na. Pupunta kami ng SM, so we have to buy something. There, girl, may pedestrian na. Come here. Bakit yung mga baliw dito, girl? Ito yung feeling, feeling turista. It's your first time, right? Like, away from your family. Tapos, ano lang. Kasi guys, na kami. Back to reality na. So, need na sulit-sulitin. Ang cute! Ito yung Sky Ranch, Clarks. Right? Sky Ranch. May sky. Kami ni Clarks. Ako ang captain ng ship. So, Clarks, I have a question. What is happiness for you?
Happiness is, well, me myself, I'm still finding it because, you know, I mean, it's everywhere, but I feel like there's more out there to find, you know. But ultimately, for me, happiness is like a byproduct of doing the things you love. So I think it's very important to pursue what you truly want in this life so that you'll find happiness. And I really believe that it's found in the little things. So for me, it's really important to be able to be happy even in the most mundane and even in the most ordinary things in life. Yeah.
Wow, word of wisdom from Clarabelle. Do you believe in the saying, no pain, no gain?
No pain, no gain. Yeah, I mean, yeah, sure, of course, it's very true, especially in other circumstances. Like for example, let's say, the most prime example I can think of is working out. Because you know, working out is really an exhausting thing to do, especially if you need to build discipline and determination within yourself for you to be able to see the results. So yeah, in situations like those, yes, the phrase "no pain, no gain" is really true. I think it's also very important to emphasize that not every suffering needs to be necessary. You can also be happy without suffering. So yeah, I think it just depends on the context.
How about in a relationship context?
In a relationship context,
I know we can't really deny the fact that it happens mostly in a relationship. I mean, the no pain, no gain, right? Based on our past experiences with someone, I think it's really true. Like, I think you have to experience that kind of pain for you to realize the happiness that you've been looking for.
well, for me, I think the term for that is like character development. Yeah, character development, like
Okay.
you need to experience pain to some extent. Like for example, get your heart broken because it builds character. Like you realize a lot of things. You'll be able to think deeply more, know more about people, more about why they do such stuff. You know.
I'm just thankful actually, Clarks, that it happened because it never happened. Of course, I've never met someone who is very genuine, who is caring, who is loving despite distance. At first, like you thought that you'll never encounter this kind of person, like knowing you have the same horizon. It is just that you don't have the same wavelength, right? So I think it's a good thing na din na like it happened. You can really appreciate that kind of happiness within you.
Because it's just a different kind of happiness if you've experienced rock bottom.
Parang inspired ka to do things, to continue, because you don't have to overthink all over again.
Yeah.
That kind of situation. I mean, let's just say in our age, of course, maraming mag-judge, di ba? At that kind of age, you should be focusing on yourself. But hindi naman tayo, di ba, naglolo ko sa ACADS naman, Carbs, di ba? It is just that, yes, we have our inspirations, we have our family, of course, they are number one inspiration. Of course, we also need someone as to, you know, to boost us some, confidence, di ba? So, yun nga, parang it's a good thing din, like, in our age, like, to have that kind of someone who could inspire us to do more in life. Sarap ng hangin dito.
You deserve all the happiness you're experiencing right now.
Yes, super Carbs. I mean, alam mo yun, ilang months ka na ganun. I think 2024 is for us Carbs. Eh, hindi dahil, magtatapos tayo this year. It's just that we deserve what we have now. Alam mo yung pinaka-highlights ko in 2023 is that when I have you guys. Yun yung pinaka-highlight ko. Kasi, alam mo yun, kahit hindi ka kumibo, ganun.
Yeah.
Kayo yung nagtatanong kayo yung lumalapit. Kayo yung keep on asking, Feb, how are you? Ganito, ganyan. Is it okay? Blah, blah, blah. You don't demand things. Alam mo yun? Parang, iniisip nyo if okay lang ba to sa akin, ganito, ganyan. And alam mo yun, in times na you're heartbroken, I mean, it's not all about relationships. There's also ACADS, diba? Naalala mo yung time, Clars, na parang ipupush mo talaga yung sarili mo, tapos magbe-breakdown na ganun. And then, yun, thankful lang ako kasi I have friends. Of course, Clarbs here, Johanna Nell, we have Joshua, Fondle, we have Cherry, ganun. Actually, I have lots of friends. It is just that sila yung lagi kong nakakasama sa school. Ganun, when it comes sa ACADS, when we talk about life, when we talk about love life, everything, especially on food. Grabe.
Especially food.
Yeah.
Because Carbs is a good cooker.
Okay. Dahil sinabi mo na magaling ako magluto or what, sure, ano yung pinaka-paborito mong food na naluto ko?
I know it's just been recent, but the salmon you cook when we
Salmon? The buttered garlic salmon.
Yeah, when we departed from Dumaguete to Cebu via bus. Yeah, it was very memorable. The taste is very memorable. I won't ever forget that. I feel like it's the way.